Hello, it's Doug, the 2-Minute Gardener, here at a job site of one of the designs I did. And the guys are working on bringing in topsoil for the new lawn that they're going to be installing this week. And also they've got this big, beautiful jacaranda tree that's getting planted in that hole right over there. And so one of the things that's a little tricky is this soil is kind of lousy. It's just the nature of the soil in this part of San Diego. It's rocky, it's poor nutrients, the pH is high. So how do you fix that? Well, as you've seen in my other videos, I like to recommend the free approach, which is coffee grounds. You know, if you grind your own coffee beans, you have all these used coffee grounds. And by the way, it's important to use used coffee grounds because the water percolating through it to make coffee helps remove some of the chemicals that might be in it. So it's really, really important to use used coffee grounds when you're throwing coffee grounds on your garden. And so this is about 2 weeks worth of coffee grounds that I've been saving for this particular project. And coffee grounds are great because most people have them. If you don't have a bean coffee maker, go to Starbucks. They're always looking to get rid of their coffee grounds. So take advantage of that. It's a great way to get coffee for your particular project. And the way you do it is you just take the coffee grounds, not a terribly precise measure, but you just kind of take it and throw it in the planting hole. And the reason this is important to put in the hole and around the hole is that coffee helps lower the pH of the soil. It adds magnesium, it adds life back in that soil. It's really, really vital to have these nutrients to have a happy, healthy plant life. So use that coffee ground, spread it around, water in when you're done, and there you have it. Just use some coffee grounds to perk up your garden. Well, hopefully we get some more guys up here to haul this tree up this ramp, so that will be its own entertaining video. Until next time, this is Doug, the 2-Minute Gardener, saying thanks for watching.